welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make something from French-Canadian recipe land, from the Quebecois. We're going to make tortiere, or tortiere, whatever it may be. It is a meat pie. Now the beauty about tortiere is there are as many variations of it as there are French-Canadian families. So you know what that means. It gives me great leeway to make it as I see fit. And so you see the ingredients here. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to prep them first. First thing we're going to do is take one good sized russet potato, peel it, and bring it to a boil in salted water and cook it till soft. Over medium-high heat, we've got half a stick of butter melted. And now we're going to start cooking the onions. This is half of that medium-sized onion you saw. And the mushrooms, finely chopped mushrooms. I would say there's about half to 3/4 of a cup each. Alright, after the onion and the mushroom have cooked, the onion's starting to get a little bit brown. The mushroom has lost all its liquid. Now we're going to add some cheater's garlic. Oh, about a generous tablespoon. Okay. And at this point, we're going to add the 1 pound of hamburger. Now let me break that up and join me in a sec. As we start breaking that up, now we're going to add the spice mix. Get it out of there. Oh, that smells pretty good. Oh, that mustard smells good. And the salt and pepper. And the wine. Okay, we need about that much wine. And again, over medium, let's call it number 6. Don't call it number 7. We're going to continue to break up the meat and cook it through. So we got all the meat nicely broken up. So now all we're going to do is over medium-high heat is continue to cook it until all the liquid is reduced out. And while the meat is cooking, now that the potatoes are cooled, we're going to mash them up. Alright, after the potatoes are mashed, we've added the meat. Now depending on the fat ratio of your burger, you may have to drain it. I just used a slotted spoon to pull mine out. And we're going to combine the potatoes and the meat very well, then put it in a pie pan. Alright, so we got the oven preheated to 425, and we got the potatoes and the meat mixture mixed in well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill the pie. What is it, tortoise? No. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. Okay, so let me go ahead and fill it. Now remember, you have to want to pack it down because you want the meat firm. Alright, now I have tried this meat mixture and it is absolutely delicious. That mustard powder is a crowning achievement on there. Now, I watched Chef John from foodwishes.com make one of these the other day, and he used a spoon to smooth it out and push out any air pockets, which I think is a fantastic idea. His looked much better than mine is at this point, but he's a chef, I'm not. So I play a chef on YouTube. He's a trained professional. Okay, so we're going to now cap it with the other pie crust that I got. Alright, now that we've successfully put the top pie crust on, we had to patch it a little bit there and here. Now we got an egg wash. 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of water. And we're going to brush the pie all over, so it's going to get this nice beautiful sheen and brownness as it cooks. Okay, this is very simple. And this pie from French Canada is a holiday pie. They typically make it and eat it warm on Christmas Eve, and then traditionally on Christmas Day it is eaten cold for breakfast with copious amounts of ketchup. Yes, I am not lying. That sounds a little gross to me, but you know, hey, the French Canadians invented poutine or pouton, whatever, that nasty French fries with gravy and whatever else they have on it. So yeah, man, have at it with your ketchup if that's what you want. Rock on. Okay, so we got this painted. Now we're going to cut some slits in it so it can breathe. We want the steam to escape. And you know what? I'm going to wiggle them like that to open them up. Because a lot of times when people slice it, they seal back up in the oven. And I'm not going to let that happen. Hey, that's looking pretty nice, huh? Okay, 425 degree oven is set. Let's throw it in there.